Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan 2x. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have to secant of 2x squared dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for du over 2. This one with this one we combine because we have same the power. So that's about 5e to the power of u. And now the integration of this one, we will have about 5e to the power of u over ln 5e. And we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.